Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
if Governor Wike will insult the entire sensibility of the Ijaw nation, he doesn't respect friendship. He doesn't respect friendship. He believes that his governor, he has a lot of resources at his disposal, so he can do whatever thing he likes without anybody questioning his authority. And so that is exactly what you have seen. And so for us, our charge to our brothers and our sisters is that they should not see this as an IYC or an INC affair. This is an attack to the entire Ijaw nation. This is not the first time Governor Wike has expressed his disdain to the Ijaw nation. There are countless times that Governor Wike, at every slightest provocation, will speak ill about the Ijaw ethnic nationality. And despite the gutter languages that he has used, the Ijaw Council or the Ijaw nation has never condescended to attacking his Ikwere ethnic nationality where he comes from. And so it is sad, it's unfortunate. Statements from a governor like this is capable of rupturing the existing harmonious relationship that the Ijaws and Ikweres have in the Rivers State. And so we have already stated our position. We have consulted the critical stakeholders and leaders of the entire Ijaw nation, and we are expressing the views of our people that no Ijaw man who is a member of his political party should give him one vote in his bid of becoming the president of this country. Because if you can insult us brazenly in a pulpit, in the house of God, without any reservation, telling us that thunder should fire the entire Ijaw nation, then if we facilitate you in be in the process of facilitating you in becoming the president of this country, then that means that you kill all of us. That is just the implication. You made that kind of statement without even having a back of what former President Goodluck Jonathan did for you, what his wife, then President Jonathan, who is also an Ijaw woman, did for you, against the interest of other competent Ijaw aspirants that contested that election with you. You feel that you are now Lord, nobody can talk to you. One thing Governor Wike has failed to realize is that power is transient. Today, thunder should fire Ijaw nation. Where was his Ikwere ethnic nationality? Where were the youth of his Ikwere ethnic nationality when they used federal might to trample upon him during his second term ambition? Was it not a Ijaw youth who paid the supreme price at Abonima? Over 18 Ijaw youths died in a bid of resisting the federal might that wanted to topple Governor Nyesom Wike. The least we expect from Governor Wike is to insult us to that level. He cannot take away the contributions of the Ijaw nation in the peace, stability, and economic prosperity of Rivers State and the Niger Delta at large. When we are at the trenches, where was his Ikwere ethnic nationality? What fight have they fought? What battle have they fought in this region? Is it because we are quiet? All these things Governor Wike is doing is just in a bid to divide the Ijaw people in Rivers State in order for him to bring in another upland Ikwere person to succeed him as governor of Rivers State. That's exactly what he's doing. You cannot say that, you cannot on one breath say that Ijaw people are good people. Then on another breath, you are saying that INC and IYC that thunder should fire them. These institutions, who are they representing? Are they representing themselves, or they are representing the entire Ijaw nation? So if you insult IYC and the INC today, you have insulted the entire Ijaw nation. You may not like our style. You may not like our approach. The truth of the matter is that Ijaw people gave us the mandate to defend and speak for them. If you are insulting our leadership for what steps that we have taken, does it feel that all the steps he has taken as governor of Rivers State, the Rivers State people are happy with him? But it is assumed that if people insult him as governor of Rivers State, the person has automatically insulted the entire Rivers people. A man who is vying for the highest office in the country should not condescend to the level of using motopark language in expressing his displeasure over an entire ethnic nationality. To us, is an eyesore. That is the least that we expect from Governor Wike, because Ijaw nation has done so much for him. He has benefited so much from Ijaw nation, and he does not have whatever justifiable reason to speak to us in that despicable manner. It's an insult to our people, and we have already directed that no Ijaw delegate from his party should vote for him in his bid of becoming the flag bearer of his political party where he comes from.
Not because the federal government has attended to the issues that is bothering the Niger Delta, while other regions are boiling, while there is no peace, unity and stability in other regions, the Niger Delta has been very peaceful and very calm. And this, a very respected former senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria alluded that the reason why the Niger Delta is quiet is because our people have not agitated. Because if we have agitated to a level, we would have completely crippled the economic activities of this nation. And I know that the federal government would have been attending to issues concerning Nigeria as a state. But as I speak to you, because the insecurity in the northeast, in the northwest, in the southeast, in the southwest is not affecting the economy of the nation, the federal government has failed to attend to the insecurity in this country. And let me say that the Niger Delta is the life wire of this country, and that we are watching as events are unfolding. Anywhere from now, the Joint Council, the Ijaw nation will speak out in one voice. And we have said that federal government should direct the multinational oil companies to relocate their headquarters to the Niger Delta. As I speak to you, that has not been done. The federal government also told us that they are going to clean up Spokeman. Up till now, nothing seriously is happening to the clean up. And other communities that have been affected by oil pollution and oil exploitations that is going on in the Niger Delta. And going forward, I think that will not happen. And so this birthday of our leader, our father, is very, very significant in the political history, in the economic history of the Niger Delta people. That the design time will come together and form a synergy and work together as one voice. It is high time we avoid political sentiment. It is high time we forego where our political interest lies and work for the common interest of a Ijaw nation. Because that is what Tombolo represents. Tombolo represents peace, Tombolo represents love, and Tombolo represents the survival of the Ijaw nation. And so, I am very happy as national spokesman of the Joint Council to be here. We are collaborating with our
One love, one love, one love. One love, one love, one love, one love, one love. 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 One love, one love, one love.